Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of use. A state or action that is used to accomplish a purpose. For example, modern trains are now in use. The second definition of use. A person who has the advantage or value of something. For example, what's the use of crying? American pronunciation. Use. Use. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Use. Say. Use. Use means action of using something. Use. Use. Use origin. Middle English is the noun of Old French us, Latin usus from uti, and the verb from Old French users, based upon Latin uti. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. Indeed, this train will accomplish its journey using satellite navigation technology. Now, repeat after me. Indeed, this train will accomplish its journey using satellite navigation technology. The second practice. The association has employed a gardener who uses water from the park's borewell. Now, repeat after me. The association has employed a gardener who uses water from the park's borewell.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.